gonna be up soon. I'm gonna let y'all know when it drops. First time recording at night. I'm gonna start doing. I promise y'all, I have a shirt on. Like, I look half naked, but I have a shirt on. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ariel, and this is my YouTube page, Miss Ariel Bella TV. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe. Yes. Go ahead and subscribe, leave comments, like this video, leave me some requests, because I'm telling y'all, the people that watch my videos and that love my makeup on Instagram and Snapchat, y'all inspire me to make videos. So, you know, leave your girl some suggestions or let me know what you want to see. So a lot of people ask me to do fall looks. I got the Jaclyn Hill palette, if y'all remember my last tutorial. So today I use the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's about to wash me out because it's white. But I used the Ring the Alarm palette, and it's so freaking pretty. Y'all see this? It has a nice size mirror, as you can see. But yes, I used the Ring the Alarm palette to create this look, and I absolutely love it. And I used some new lip products as well that's new to me and that just recently came out. So yes, if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Got a big we gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna go in with these two palettes. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. They're both by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill that you can get at Ulta. Now, I did fill in my brows already. I used the NYX brow pomade that you can get at Ulta. And I also used the LA Girl Pro Concealer that you can get from Ulta to prime my eyes. And yeah, I think I'm going to go in with the Ring the Alarm palette. Oh, it's kind of bright. By Jaclyn Hill. It looks like this here. Very pretty colors. I'm going to go in with Rush as my transition color. I'm going to use this fluffy brush by e.l.f. that I got from Ulta. It looks like this right here to place the transition color in. Let's get it. And I'm just using windshield wiper motions, going back and forth with the fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go in with the next color underneath that first color. I'm going to take Alert from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm putting that right underneath the color Rush. So I'm just creating a gradient effect. I'm doing this so my colors can flow into each other. Then I'm going to take the color Mug Shot, and I'm going to place that right underneath Alert. Next, I'm going to go into the color Framed, and I am going to place that right underneath the Mug Shot. And I went in with, but this is a BH Cosmetics brush I'm using. So I'm taking the color Framed all the way in. I'm packing it on the outside and then bringing it on the inside all the way. And this does not have to be perfect because we are going to cut our crease in the next frame that you're going to see. So to cut my crease, I'm using my MAC 212 brush, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this color is in, I think it's in Creamy Beige, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just cutting my crease. This definitely takes practice. My eyes are kind of slanted a little bit, like how my crease is, so I go a little bit above my crease so you're able to see my eye colors when I open my eyes and when I close my eyes. So that's what I'm doing now, just cutting my crease with that concealer and the concealer brush. Okay, next for my lid color, I'm taking On Camera, and I'm using a flat BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush, and I'm putting it just on the inner part of my eye, and I'm packing the color to really build it up. I didn't wet my brush or anything before that. And you can also set your concealer before. Then I'm taking, it says Lolly. It's a pink shade in the palette. And I'm applying it right next to the On Camera gold shade. I'm kind of overlapping the two colors together. And I just flip my brush over. Acting services rendered, and I gave myself next I'm going to take the color Boom, yeah. Yes, and I'm adding that right next to the Lolly color, and I'm using an e.l.f. brush, and I'm not rubbing the shadows, I'm patting the shadows on my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Siren, and I'm going to place that right on my outer V. So as you can see, I'm patting the colors on, overlapping them to give it more of an ombre effect on my eyelids. Okay, next I am going to take the eyeliner by MAC. This is a MAC black eyeliner, and oh my gosh, what is the name of this eyeliner? I forgot, but it's going to be down below. I'm just lining my eyes and adding a wing as well with this MAC eyeliner. And I'm taking MAC Definitely Black Prolong Wear Eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm taking the colors that I put into my crease underneath my lash line to smoke out my lash line. And I'm just using the Bobbi Brown primer to prime around my nose because I do get oily there and I do have large pores. I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin E. This is a moisturizer and a primer put together. And for a foundation, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Sandalwood. And I'm using a Real Technique brush to blend that all out on my skin. This is my absolute favorite foundation. This is my go-to, especially when I know I'm going to have a long day, or if I'm knowing that I want to be flawless. This is my absolutely favorite foundation. It's full coverage, it's mattifying, and it just does the job. It never fails. And y'all seen me use this foundation before, and also y'all seen me do my face routine. So I'm kind of just fast forwarding through this part, but I'm making sure it's blended evenly on my skin. I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm highlighting underneath my eyes, my top lip. I'm also going to do my nose, my forehead area, and my chin. About this or hear this, that you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park every night. And I'm blending the concealer out with a Real Technique blending sponge. I also got that sponge from Ulta, and I'm setting all the areas that I used concealer. I'm using a Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my concealer, and I'm using a Real Technique brush to set the concealer with the Laura Mercier powder. Next, to set my foundation, I am using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting powder and 24 Golden. For acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years. And to contour, I'm using my CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony Bronze to contour. Just before. And I'm using a fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm going around the hairline, my cheeks, and my jawline as well. And I'm also going to contour my nose. And for blush, I'm going in with a MAC brush, and I'm using MAC Raisin and Sweetest Cocoa blush mixed together. And for highlight, I'm using my Bobbi Brown highlighter in Golden Bronze. And for lips, I'm going in with this is MAC Nightmoth lip liner. So I'm lining my lips, and then I have the footage on here. I'm gonna line my lips, and then I'm gonna feather in the liner as well onto the middle of my lips. So I'm gonna bring it all the way out. So I'm lining it, to get that deeper shade around my lips. I love Nightmoth. Nightmoth is the perfect color for reds, nudes, purples, pinks, etc. It's a staple lip liner. I think everyone should have in their collection. As you can see here, I'm feathering it on my lips. So I wanted to have like a little low-key ombre and kind of deepen up the lipstick that I'm about to put on my lips. Now for lipstick, I went in with the new Powder Kiss lipstick by MAC, and it's 305 Burning Love, the color lipstick that I'm using, and I really like it. It's my first time using it on camera. I was very impressed. Now for my eyes, I wanted to add a little glitter. I went in with the MAC Dazzle glass, and this is in Blinking Brilliance, and I added on the areas that were gold on my eye to give it a little bit more sparkle. And then to add a little sparkle on my lips, I'm using Oh Baby Lipgloss and the concealer brush. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.